when you take the challenges as an opportunity, I'm pretty confident you'll go long way in your life. Okay? तो अभी पॉइंट को आते हैं. तो मेरे बारे में थोड़ा बता दूं मैं. Just give up my introduction to you. My name is Naveen Palnati, और I am from Hyderabad. Before coming to this amazing wellness industry, I have about 13 years of experience in corporate industry. I work with very telecom giants like Tata Teleservices, Reliance Communications, Telenor, ऐसे बहुत बड़े companies को काम किया. Okay, when I come to the wellness industry, I learn as a human being. Yes, rightly said by the great couple Anu Madam. When you come to this wellness industry, you will become a different human being. Right? I was very aggressive when I was working with corporate, but when I came to this industry, I became very assertive and very passive person. Right? That is the beauty of this industry. Right? And next thing, when I come to this wellness industry, I learned many things about this great opportunity. How many people know, don't know, but the fact is, if you really work in this great industry called direct selling, or that too a great company called Melin NutriCare, I'm pretty confident your future is very, very bright. Very, very bright. $1.94 billion investment. Right? And I've taken the certification. I'm a certified nutritionist also. Okay, and I'm pursuing my MBA in direct selling also. Already completed my semester. First semester also I completed. Second semester I'm doing from the Shirodi University. And to get that MBA in that organization, I can say that in the Shirodi University, in degree you should have 55%. Then only you are eligible to get to that MBA also. I'm now very excited that I'm coming with 2 MBAs now in my hand. But again, the word what Madam has said, MBA is nothing but जितना आप सीखते हो उतना अच्छा काम कर सकते हो. Based on the designation, but whatever you learn as per yourself, that becomes a great journey in Melin NutriCare. Right? So about the company facts. The topic is on company facts.